Hi everyone, welcome back to another craft tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make a square knot macrame keyring. For this I've got a macrame board. I've got 2 pins in there that are going to secure my split ring and hold it in place. I've got 2 lengths of macrame cord which are 40 inches long each, and then I have another piece of macrame cord which is 20 inches. To get started, we're going to take one of the lengths of macrame cord and line up the bottoms, and we're going to find the centre, and when we found the centre we're going to then push that through the split ring. We're going to pull it through to make a loop, then that will allow us then to pull through the rest of the macrame cord, and I'm going to repeat that again with the other length of macrame cord as well. Now we've made our lark's head knot, we are now ready to get started. So I'm going to separate off the strand from the left and from the right, and I'm going to keep the 2 strands down the centre. So to start making my square knots, I'm going to take the piece of cord that is on the right and I'm going to cross it over the 2 strands in the middle. Then the cord from the left, I'm going to bring that down so it crosses over the cord that I've placed from the right. Then we're going to tuck it under through the loop, and therefore we can see it's making a knot around the 2 pieces of cord in the center, and then we're just going to pull that tight to secure it up to the top, and there we go. To finish the knot we're going to repeat the same from the other side. So take the cord from the left, place it over the 2 strands, then take the cord from the right, cross it over the strand from the left, and then we're going to lift up the 2 pieces in the middle and tuck it through the loop on the other side, and again we can see it's making a knot around the 2 strands in the center. And there we've completed our square knot, and we're just going to keep repeating that now until we have the desired length of macrame cord that you want your keyring to be. So this could either be a really short one, or if you prefer a bit of a longer keychain, then you can make yours a little bit longer. Now we can see that's coming together quite nicely. Once you've made the keychain to be your desired length, all that's left now is to finish it off. So to do that, we're going to take the spare piece of cord that we cut and we're going to make a loop, and we're going to tie a gathering knot. So we're going to place the loop over the macrame cord that we've already tied. Then we're going to proceed to wrap around the cord, and we're going to wrap it over the strands of cord and the loop that we've just made. And it's fine to leave a piece out the top because that's going to help us in a second. So we're just going to keep wrapping that around like that. It can be a little bit fiddly, but we need to try and keep it as tight as possible. We don't need to make it too big, just want it to finish off our macrame keychain. When you've wrapped it round as many times as you want, we're going to take the strand that we have and we're going to thread it through the hoop like so. Then we're going to take the piece that's left at the top and the piece we have at the bottom, and we are going to pull them. And this is going to pull up the hoop, and that is going to take the cord with it, and it's going to hide any of the messy knots inside of the wrapped around cord so we don't see any of the knots, and it's going to keep it looking really neat. So there we can see we've made a really cute little knot at the bottom without any messiness. Then all that's left then is to trim off the excess piece of cord at the top and to trim off the tails that are left at the bottom. So you can keep these nice and short, or you can keep them longer, it depends which style you like. And there you have a really cute macrame square knot keychain. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.